breaking new ground, innovate and pioneer. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English both easy and fun. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting English phrase, breaking new ground. Have you ever heard this phrase and wondered what it means? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. Break new ground is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of doing something innovative or something that has not been done before. It often refers to pioneering work in a particular field or area, introducing new ideas, or finding new ways of doing things. The phrase carries a sense of exploration and discovery, as if one is literally breaking the soil to plant new seeds that will grow into something never seen before. The phrase, break new ground, originally comes from agriculture, where it refers to the act of plowing land for the first time to create new fields for crops. This literal breaking of the ground was essential for growth and production, and over time, the phrase took on a metaphorical meaning. It started being used in contexts outside of farming to describe any innovative activity or pioneering effort in various fields such as science, technology, arts, and business. Understanding how to use this phrase in your conversations or writing can help you express the idea of innovation and pioneering more effectively. Here are a few examples. In science, the researchers' work on renewable energy sources is breaking new ground in the fight against climate change. In technology, this startup is breaking new ground with its revolutionary app design. In everyday life, by studying abroad, she is breaking new ground in her family, being the first one to receive an education overseas. If you're looking to expand your vocabulary further, there are several similar expressions to break new ground that also convey innovation and pioneering. These include pioneering, trailblazing, innovating, charting new territories. Each of these phrases can be used interchangeably depending on the context, though they might carry slight nuances in meaning. And that's a wrap on breaking new ground. We hope this video has illuminated this phrase's meaning, origins, and usage for you. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words and phrases, it's about understanding the stories and ideas they convey. So next time you hear or use break new ground, you'll know exactly what it signifies. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more fascinating aspects of the English language. Keep breaking new ground in your English learning journey.